had some strong winds, and those winds are coming all the way up from the Azores, so it's going to stay mild in the next few days. Now in Strathclyde and central regions, that's where the rain's been at its heaviest, and I think there's some more heavy rain to come there both tonight and into tomorrow. In fact, it shows up quite vividly on the radar picture, and one or two other patches of rain further to the south. But it's going to be that northwestern corner, especially Strathclyde, eventually into Highland and central regions where the rain's heaviest during the rest of the night. Some drizzly bits and pieces around other western and southern areas. And a very mild night indeed, but a very windy one as well. And those winds are still going to be with us tomorrow, as indeed is that weather front. So some more rain to come in many places, more particularly again in the north and west of Scotland, where the rain's going to be at its heaviest and most persistent. Some lighter rain in other parts of the country. In fact, it's going to start off quite grey, damp and drizzly, I think, in many places. But in the more sheltered central and eastern parts, much of that rain and drizzle will tend to die away, and there's every hope of a little bit of brightness, more particularly in these southern and eastern areas. Some brighter weather coming into the far northwest of Scotland, and there with one or two showers. Everywhere tomorrow, except for the far north of Scotland, again, exceptionally mild for the time of year today.